Affiliates have been asking me why their commissions are 2% less. I'm about to tell you the good news. I'm Greg Hoffman from Apogee. I'm about to show you something you've probably never seen before. This is an actual click stream of a transaction in the ShareASale system. A few years ago, my team worked with ShareASale to create our version of advanced attribution rules. We want to protect the sales generated from our influencers. Those are the content affiliates that bring us the most new customers. We work with all sorts of models of affiliates, including coupon and cashback sites. You may influence the customer, but they will most likely shop around to find the best deal. When they do, the coupon sites typically take 100% of the commissions in other programs, but not ours. Coupon sites only get 2%. If the typical default commission is 10% and you aren't the last affiliate site that customer visits, you still get 8%. The coupon site did its job to help the process. In this case, the influencer received a one-time commission of $79.92. He didn't close that deal, but he only lost $19.98. Would you rather have 8% or nothing? See these purple dots? Those are the clicks from the customer to other active affiliate links. The customer started the shopping in late October, then again in mid-November, and finally purchased on November 17th. That's the typical click stream and a little less than 10% of all our sales. Customers love to shop, and we love to protect your sales from other affiliates that will close those sales. We can answer questions like this all day long. If you want to see more educational videos about affiliate marketing and specifically our programs, please click to subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. If you have any questions about affiliate management, the link is right here. So please click and let us know what we can do for you. Thank you.